Do you have neck pain? Fixing it at home may be easier than you think. In this videos, we are going to discuss about 11 tips for fixing neck pain that works well and can be done in the comfort of your own home. Fixing neck pain is not only a good idea because it feels better, but also because it will help prevent future injuries from happening. We hope these tips help you find relief today. Top 11 tips for fixing neck pain at home. Number 1. Heat pack. One of the best ways to relieve pain is by using heat packs. Fill up a microwavable container with hot water, and then place it in your microwave for about 2 minutes. Once heated, remove from the microwave and wrap around neck or shoulders until you feel relief. You can also use rice as an alternative if you don't have access to heat packs. Just pour into a bowl and lean over it so that the steam hits your face. Number 2. The counter medication. If these tips aren't working for you yet, try taking some OTC medication such as ibuprofen, Advil, or acetaminophen, Tylenol. These will help relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Number 3. Pillow. One of the most important aspects of alleviating neck pain is proper sleep position. A lot of doctors recommend using a pillow when trying to fix neck pain. This way, you can keep your head elevated while sleeping on either side or facing up. This helps alleviate some pressure off the back of the skull and spine as well. Number 4. Rolling your head around. The next time you're feeling stiff from sitting in front of a computer all day, try rolling your head around on your shoulders for about 2 minutes. By doing so, it'll help loosen everything up and promote better blood flow to the neck area. Number 5. Massage. If you don't have time for a deep tissue massage, try giving yourself one. Just rub and press down on your shoulders and upper back to break up any knots that may be causing pain, paying special attention to those muscles around your neck. Number 6. Adjusting your pillow. Are you sleeping in an awkward position? Try adjusting your pillow so that it is more comfortable for you, or even getting rid of it altogether if necessary. This will help alleviate some pressure off joints and make sleep easier on your body overall. Number 7. Ice pack. Another great way to reduce inflammation from soreness is using ice packs. Fill up a plastic bag with ice, and then place it on the sore area of your neck for about 10 minutes at a time. This will help reduce inflammation as well as numb any pain. Number 8. Using yoga asanas. If you're feeling stiff or tight from sitting in front of the computer all day, try doing some yoga to loosen things back up. The best way is to do what's called child's pose, which helps stretch out those muscles near your spine and hips. This pose can be done anywhere that you have room, such as an office chair. Number 9. Massage balls. A great tip for relieving tension in the neck is using massage balls. These are a great way to break up knots that may be causing pain and can be done in the comfort of your own home. You'll want to use these on those muscles near your shoulders, upper back, and neck, then slowly roll them between your fingers as you apply pressure for about 20 seconds per ball. Number 10. Therapist. If you're suffering from neck pain that doesn't seem to be going away, then it might be worth seeing a therapist. They can teach you some great exercises and techniques on how to ease the tension in your neck as well as give advice for ways to fix this issue. Number 11. Chiropractic therapy. If none of these methods work for you yet, try getting treatment. A chiropractor is trained in relieving tension through the use of therapeutic hands-on therapy. They'll adjust certain parts of your spine, such as where the nerves are located, while also stretching out those muscles near your shoulders and upper back, which will help alleviate any pressure there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me.